Guys, hirap na nun. Ito na yung ano guys, oh. Yung sisiyo ko guys. Ng Pure 5K sweater at saka yung Raptor sweater over Yale Legged Dutch Boston Roundhead. Ito guys. Dalawang klase lang to guys. At tatlo pala. Yung isa, 3-way guys, 3-way. Yung isa yung isang breed, pure guys, 5K. Anak balik sa ama. Yan sila guys. Okay, so pwede nating buksan to guys dito guys. Oh. Yan. Hindi magkaparya yung ano guys, yung edad nila guys. Bibigay ako ng babae dito guys. Okay, bye bye. Okay guys.